How has the U.S. federal court system evolved historically? Have you ever wondered how the United States federal court system came to be? The journey began with the Constitution in 1789, which established the Supreme Court as the only court specifically mentioned in the Constitution. This was just the start of a significant evolution in the federal judiciary. The Judiciary Act of 1789 followed soon after, creating lower federal courts. This act marked the beginning of a distinct federal judiciary, separate from state courts. It laid the groundwork for what we now recognize as the federal court structure, which includes district courts and circuit courts. Initially, district judges and Supreme Court justices traveled to hear cases in different locations, a practice known as riding circuit. In those early years, Supreme Court justices had the challenging task of handling cases both at the Supreme Court and in regional circuit courts. This dual role was quite demanding due to the travel difficulties of the time. To address this, Congress established dedicated circuit judgeships in 1869. This change allowed Supreme Court justices to focus solely on their responsibilities at the Supreme Court. As the nation expanded, so did the federal court system. Congress responded to a growing caseload, particularly during and after the Civil War, by increasing the number of courts and judgeships. For instance, the Court of Claims was created in 1855 to manage claims against the federal government. Between 1831 and 1870, the number of authorized federal judges more than doubled. The leadership of Chief Justice John Marshall, who was appointed in 1801, played a key role in shaping the federal judiciary. His tenure helped establish the Supreme Court as a co-equal branch of government and define the principle of judicial review. This principle allows the court to interpret the Constitution and assess the constitutionality of laws. Over time, the federal court system developed into a three-tiered structure. District courts serve as trial courts, circuit courts were later replaced by the United States Courts of Appeals as intermediate appellate courts, and the Supreme Court stands as the highest appellate court. This structure allows for a more organized and efficient handling of federal cases across the country. From a courtroom perspective, this evolution reflects a shift from a small, informal system to a more formalized and professional judiciary. Judges now focus solely on their judicial duties, which reduces delays and provides consistent legal interpretations nationwide. The U.S. federal court system has transformed from a minimal structure with circuit-riding justices to a complex, multi-level judiciary. This evolution has adapted to the nation's growth and increasing legal demands while maintaining the Supreme Court's central role in interpreting the Constitution.